Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now from the lower time frame perspective, we can see that gold is showing significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at bigger picture to see the general direction in the market, and then we'll jump onto this lower time frame to see how we can trade gold. Looking at monthly, now from the monthly perspective, we can see that gold is showing significant bullish momentum. Starting of this monthly impulse to the upside on gold has created this pullback on the monthly, and then we have seen previous months gold has formed another strong bullish engulfer. Now if we closely look at this market structure on gold, we see that previous months gold created a higher low from this important monthly level of support and then has broken to the upside with this big long bullish engulfer. Now we saw that this month, as soon as market opened after little pullback, the bulls again has taken control over the market. Currently the price showing strong momentum on the monthly, as historically this market is bullish. As you can see, the price was respecting this long term support and resistance that we have seen in the past, acted here as a resistance here, support here, and also support here. And from that zone we have seen this bullish engulfer has started with a higher low. And what we can expect now, gold to give us some momentum to the upside. As the price is hitting a very important historical resistance zone, we might see a strong movement to the upside on gold, and we could potentially see a break of this 2070 level. Now looking at weekly perspective on gold, we can see that from the weekly perspective gold also showing strong bullish momentum. There is an inverted head and shoulder along the zone, and the price has broken to the upside with that inverted head and shoulder from the weekly perspective, and there is a triangular pattern has been created on gold in that zone. So we saw that previous week the price just has broken this support level on the weekly, grabbed the liquidity, and has formed this long bullish candle on the weekly. That candle has in fact almost equally weak at the top and bottom, which is a typical middleman. And we have seen a great liquidity grab from this support and from this candle. This week we have seen again the price has come back down again, grab enough liquidity, has done proper pullback on the lower time frame. As you have seen during the FOMC, there was a strong breakdown to the downside. We have seen multiple liquidity grab from the top and bottom has given gold a strong momentum for a potential bullish move. As you can see, the price already reaching that resistance level on the weekly, and what I think that this week we might see a new higher high or even could break this resistance zone on the weekly perspective. Now looking at daily, what we see that from the daily perspective gold is showing a healthy trending movement. We saw that with this daily bullish engulfer on gold. This is the daily candle that has crossed almost couple of days low and then grab liquidity from this candle, which is a very strong bullish engulfer, followed by we have seen a healthy pullback. Now if we place our Fibonacci on the daily perspective on gold from low to the high, we see that the price has come exactly to the 61.8% Fibonacci level and then created this move to the upside. That means that we might see a new higher high on gold on the daily perspective as well. So monthly, weekly, and daily giving a potential opportunity for a bullish move on gold. So dropping down to further lower time frame on the intraday, we see that this candle is closing in 15 minutes later from this recording. What we can expect on gold is for the price to come back down again to test this previous resistance zone. As you can see, this is a very there was a strong manipulation at the top, at the bottom with this long doji, and later we have seen with this big bullish candle gold started to move to the upside. What we see that according to our TF strategy, we can see gold has a strong bullish momentum. And as we have seen yesterday during our live session, we had a great trade on gold as well from this zone. As this candle is closing, I will be waiting for a pullback to this previous resistance here resistance here as a support. So as soon as you will see gold is again rejecting from this previous resistance turn support along this zone, we'll consider going long on gold with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading gold. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.